Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I posted on Instagram, how many of y'all wanted to see Instagram followers pick up my makeup? And a lot of y'all said yes. So this is the look I've created with all the products that y'all have selected for me. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Also, the product links mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Now, let's get started. For the primer, I had given her two options, which was Lakme and other one was Stay Working. And 74% of y'all have selected Lakme. So today I'm using Lakme Absolute's Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'll just take a little bit of it, rub it between my fingers and just press it to the targeted areas. For the foundation, I had given you two options, which were LA Colors and other one was Nykaa. And 72% of y'all have selected Nykaa. So today I'm using Nykaa's Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and dot it all over my face. Also my neck. I'll take a brush and blend everything out. For the concealer, I give you two options, Maybelline, another one was N by Bay, and 92% of y'all have selected Maybelline. So I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. Generally, I use my concealer to highlight. So today also I'm just going to highlight my face, and I'm starting with my under eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow and chin. Again, I'll just blend it out. The base is set. Now, for my eyeshadow, I had given you two options, which were Mars and Maybelline. And 79% of y'all have selected Maybelline. So I'll use Fashion Brow Cream Pencil by Maybelline today. So what I like to do is take the brush and just brush it upwards. And take the pencil and fill the ball areas. And once again, just to give it a natural look, I go with the brush and brush it upwards. For my eyeshadow, I had given you two options, which were Wet n Wild and other one was Makeup Revolution. And 60% of you have selected Makeup Revolution. Today I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's Eyes Like Angels palette. Sadly, we don't have any matte eyeshadow, so I have to work with all the shimmers. So I'll take this shade right here and put it on my crease. Then I would go with this color and just concentrate on the outer edge. Now with the help of my finger, I'll go ahead and use this silver shade and put it in the inner corners. Again with the blending brush, I'll just blend both the colors out. Now for the mascara, I've given you two options, which was Maybelline's The Falsies and other one was Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. And 85% of y'all have selected Lash Sensational Mascara. So I'm using this mascara. For the blush and contour palette, I had given you two options, which was Savannah Colors and other one was LA Girl. And 81% of y'all have selected LA Girl. So today I'm using Elegirl's blush collection in the variant Spice. So I'm using this palette. This is how it looks. So I'm going to use this palette today because it has everything. It has a matte blush, it has a shimmer blush, it has a bronzer, and it has highlighter as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this bronzer. You just need a little bit of it and it goes a long way. This is very pigmented. So after bronzing, I'm going to take this blush. Now I'm going to use this highlighter and highlight my face. The lipstick I had given you two options. It was Miss Claire and another one was Lakme, and 79% of y'all have selected Lakme. So today I'm using Lakme Absolute's lipstick in the shade Orchid Pink. This is one of my favorite colors. Now finally, to set everything, we have makeup, and 73% of y'all have selected makeup. Setting spray. I'm just going to take it, shake it well, and just spritz it all over my face. So this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section below what do you like the most about this look. I really enjoyed filming this video. So if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.